most of you are wondering, Dr. Mkono, well, how do you get to know? How do you get the time to test your patients? The thing is, to be honest with you, I don't blame the doctors who do not check, because I actually know why. By the time they're checking your inhaler technique and they find that you're not doing it right, they probably have a stack of patients waiting, and then they probably wouldn't know where to send you. But I'm proposing they send you to me, and that you decide that this is more important, that you figure it out at home and then maybe perfect it and show your doctor that you know how you're doing your inhalers. Because otherwise it is impossible. Once you've asked the patient to use the inhaler and they are struggling to bring it out, and majority of you don't even bring it to the clinic. So it's always, please use your inhaler properly, and you're nodding yes, and you move on. And then here comes the next year, and then you meet me and you're thinking, no, my doctor is not showing me how to use my inhaler. Of course not. One, you're not bringing it to the clinic. Two is, you haven't spent the time to learn yourself, because that is the only perfect way. Three is, have you asked your doctor whether you're using your inhaler correctly? Maybe politely ask them. I am not sure what is the perfect answer, but I'll tell you, it does delay and slow down my clinic just a little bit longer. Okay, maybe a lot longer than I'm saying, when I find out that your inhaler technique is totally off. That, along with you do not know that you're supposed to be on half of the medications I've already prescribed before, or you're coming to me after everybody else has prescribed all you need already, and you haven't even begun that journey. So I have to reiterate what has been told and begin from there. So yeah, many people do not know. They don't know. Their doctors kind of just pass on that to the next visit, because it's really hard and it's tough to keep on time and have patients throw you these curve balls. So people just kind of finagle in, and guess who's at a loss? You are. So you need to figure out your inhalers. That's your prerogative. And I will say that over and over again, even though I think I'm a little too neurotic about these inhalers. And maybe, just maybe, it is important that you are, not me. Take care.